Hi friends, now I'm going to show how to move the mouse pointer in the case of emergency using the number lock. Okay, just go to the search menu here and type ease of access center
Always scan this section.
and go to the option make the mouse easier to use and check the turn on mouse keys and go to setup mouse keys, and here you can see the option turn on mouse keys once again and select it, and also turn on mouse keys with this is the shortcut for turning on the mouse keys. This is the shortcut for turning off the, here you can see the shortcut for turn on the mouse keys. Select this also and you can put this like this, and here the speed. Use the mouse keys when num lock is on. Okay, apply and then okay.
Always scan this section.
Okay, now turn on the number lock and press the button 4 for moving the mouse pointer to left. See, you can observe the mouse pointer is moving, and for press 6 for to move the mouse pointer to right. You can observe that mouse pointer is moving to right. Okay, and 8 for moving upwards and 2 for moving downwards. If you want this process so speed, as I said at the settings window, there control for speed and shift for slow. Press control along with 4, which is used to move the mouse pointer to left side. See, you can observe the mouse pointer is moving so fast. Up the side, down side, right, left, right. Okay. If you press shift along with the 4, the arrow will move to left side slowly. Here you can observe. 8 along with shift, it moves slowly. Okay, let us select one folder. For speed movement of mouse point, press control along with which direction you want to move the mouse pointer. See, for example, now I am going to open Google Chrome. Press 5 for OK, and 5 is for OK. Press 2 times 5. Working. This is useful when mouse is not working properly and in the emergency cases. Just keep the settings on at the emergency time. See, you can like this do. You can do like this. For opening YouTube, press OK. This is how to use the keyboard without mouse in the case of emergency. And now for normal usage, again go back to settings and uncheck the options which we have. This one, and go to setup mouse keys, uncheck this and also this option and click on apply and then OK. Even though if number lock is on, the mouse is not moving. This is how to use the keyboard when the mouse pointer is not moving and in the case of emergency.